2008 Toyota Camry. Today we're gonna work on the valve cover gaskets. Valve cover is pretty simple. We need to remove a couple bolts. Then this is on the 1, 2, 3, 4. Take out all the ignition coils. Just press the tab, pull the plug. Take this 10 bolt out. So just take a couple of vacuum hoses, take this out. This side as well. Then we remove the hoses, the vacuum lines. We can go ahead and take out the bolts on the sides that's holding the valve cover. 2 bolts in the middle. Those are long bolts. Oh no, dude, this is why somebody put a bolt there that's like, that's broken. Oh, that's fucked up. One behind this harness. So there's total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, total of 8 bolts, 9, 10, total 10 bolts. So we'll apply it like right here. So brittle, so you gotta be careful when taking them out. Well, they're just brackets, but still. So take this harness right here so that you can move this wire a little bit. It'll give you a little bit of room to play with. That's the problem right there. That's why it's leaking. See that bolt on this side? Somebody snapped that bolt, man. I gotta make sure that thing is out. Of a 10, just because I'm gonna try to rethread it. So we need a decoy. If this doesn't work, just get a drill bigger, and then, well, I don't want to say something that you don't know. See, it looks like it works. All right, so just go back and forth. Let me see what it looks like. What? There you go. It looks like it's working. Yeah, I got a thread. So there is a light. You could rethread it. You just gotta practice a lot of threading, but you could fix it. It's fixable. All right, so we just take him out here like that. I don't know, I never liked the blue one. Get like a black one, man. Don't get the blue one. They suck. Get something like this. It's gotta be black. I'll dab a little bit of on the, like on each corner, just a little bit. make sure the spark plug seals are still intact. So I just gotta do this very slow. Nice and slow, man. Put everything, make sure that the seal is intact. All right, there you go. So 2 long bolts are in the middle. 2 long bolts. We have to secure the middle first. So the torque sequence, there's no torque sequence. Well, the torque sequence that I usually do when doing valve cover is I always start from the middle, and work my way out. But before I tighten the bolts, I gotta make sure that all the bolts are hand threaded. Yep. Gotta make sure they're all hand threaded, man. Don't forget this one bolt here on behind the harness. I'm gonna use a gun since they're all hand tight. Oh, they're all hand threaded. I'm just gonna make sure they're snug, so you gotta control your pulse. Somebody tried to hide the mistake. I'll do this manually. Start with the middle. Start in the middle. So I'm tightening it with my wrist. Tighten it with your wrist. Put all my pressure on my wrist. That's how I prevent it from over torquing on valve covers. So just make a hole and then get yourself a really long bolt. I don't know, I feel like it doesn't tight. So what we could do is this long bolt, it should go through it all the way. And then should be able to put the nut. I don't know, man. I don't like the whole. We'll try to make it work. I want to make sure that it will work. I want that guaranteed. There you go, man. That's tight. That's what I'm talking about. The valve cover was, well, it's deteriorating, so you gotta need to change the valve cover sometime this year. I'm gonna put some water here. That thing broke. Sometimes these things break no matter how much careful you are. If so, when you tighten these, just make sure you do it slow. Should make it snug and just do a little bit of thing. All right, so we're gonna end the video, guys. That's how you replace a valve cover gasket on a 2008 Toyota Camry. Questions, comments, concerns on how to replace it, write it down in the comment section. If you have any good comments. If you have any comments, questions, concerns regarding the how to take out the snap bolt, or how to take out the snap bolts, or any better techniques that I might need to know, just let me know. Write it down in the comment section. I try to use the snap-on extracting tool, but it won't come off, so I had to do it with the classic way, where you have to drill it step by step and put a bigger hole. Put a bigger hole and then put a bolt through it and bolt it up, man. You can do it on Toyota Camrys, so that's a good thing. Yeah, if you guys watched the entire video, appreciate y'all. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.